everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you a simple and effective way to protect your personal info from anyone who might use your phone. You know how sometimes your friends or strangers take your phone and swipe up and down and see all of your personal info? Well, to prevent that from happening, I have a trick for you. And I have shared a lot of security tricks and tips before, but this one is different. You don't have to download any app for this. It is just a setting on your phone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open your settings and search for app pinning, or you can just search pinning. After that, you can turn on both of the options if they are off. After that, there are two options. The first option is very important, and the second option is optional. The second option will redirect you to your lock screen when you unpin an app. I have tested both turn off and turn on, and I prefer to turn it on. After that, opened Calculator and tried the pin option in that app. At first, it will show you how you can unpin the app, but after one or two times, it will not show it. It will just show a pin icon and you have to quickly tap on Got It. And now you can give your phone to anyone, and they will not be able to swipe up or down or go back. They will only see the Calculator app. To unpin the app, you have to press and hold the back and home buttons at the same time. And then you will be redirected to your lock screen or your home screen, depending on your second option. And that's it. That's how you can use app pinning to protect your personal info from anyone who might use your phone. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might need this trick. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!